Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to convert Google Docs into password-protected PDFs using PDF.co and Zapier. First, log into your Zapier account and create a Zap. Next, select the Google Docs app and choose the new document as a trigger. Then, click the Test Trigger button. Once the test trigger is successful, let's move on to another app. Search and select PDF.co from the list of the apps. Next, choose the PDF security for the action event. Let's set up the PDF security configuration. For the PDF URL field, select the file PDF, exist but not shown. For the mode field, select Add Security Action. Then, type in your security passwords for owner and user password. For the encryption level field, choose the AS128-bit. For the printing field, set to false. For the printing quality field, you can choose either low resolution or high resolution. For the document assembly, content copying, modify document, filling form fields, and commenting, set it to false. Then, type your desired output file name for the name field. After setting up the PDF security configuration, click the Test and Review button. Great! We successfully converted Google Docs and added security protection to PDF document. You can copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. To open the protected document, enter your security password. Here's the PDF document that we successfully added security protection. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.